The new BillTracker no longer has a search option in the main menu. All of the search now gets done in the individual sections. If I go into the Bills section, I have a new filter option over here. When I click Show Filters, it'll give me the ability to filter my bill results by user profile, by general parameters, any individual tracking that I'm doing in the system, hearing dates, or whether or not a hearing is scheduled, and any bills that I've sent out for review. Very quickly, I can come into General. I can search by a keyword. And by a session. I want to look at the 2025 regular session. Apply those filters. And I can see that there were 182 bills in the 2025 regular session related to environment. If I wanted to further narrow that down, I could further narrow that down by adding a sponsor for any of those bills sponsored by Fahey. Four of those bills had Fahey listed as a sponsor. At any time, if I want to clear all those bills, I can clear them out of the system by simply hitting to clear all bill. And it'll take me back to my current session and the current bills.